about the basic tools of the Canva and function. First, we open Canva on Google by typing canva.com. So this is how Canva looks like. So the first menu section is Home. The function of this home page is to contain the initial appearance of Canva, namely the designs that we have created as well as designs that have been made by other people that we can use. The second menu section is Templates. This template function is a feature that provides the appearance of templates that have been created by other people, and we can use and make it easier for us as users too. On this menu, we can choose the theme that we will create, namely social media like Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, linking banners, or we can choose personal theme like invitation, card, resume, or we can choose business theme like presentation, website, logo, and then we can choose marketing theme or education or trending. The next menu is Features. Contains various features from Canva, including photo, icon, print, application, explore, and also downloads. In this menu, you can create various designs that come from interesting features in Canva. The next menu is Learn. This menu learns a lot about design, business, education, and photography. In this menu, you will be invited to learn with Canva about ideas, tutorials, and more. And then pricing. The function of this feature is as a feature if we as users want to get premium feature provided by Canva by paying a fixed amount of money according to the feature we will get. On the right there is a Help Center menu. The function of this feature is as a feature when we as users ask Canva for help if there is a problem with our Canva. Next, to it there is an Account Settings menu. The function of this feature is as a feature if we as users want to manage or set up our Canva. Then here there is Create a Design. In this menu, you can create your own design with blank section. Besides that, you can also edit photo and import your file. After click Create Design, there are some features like template, element, upload, text, or more, namely background, audio, photo, style, video, or folders. Then on the left side there are 3 lines. If you click it, menu will appear as follow: home, your project, share with you, trace, create a theme, brain kit, and content planner.
Your project. This is a feature provided to save and display the design that we have created. And then there is Share with You, a feature where to save and display design or templates shared by others with us. And then there is a Trace, concising design that you have created, even those that have been deleted. The delayed design will last for 30 days before being permanently deleted. And then there is a class, or if we don't have a theme, it will be create a theme. Because I have a theme, there is like this. This feature that work for collaborative design with friends online at the same time. Because of the nature of Canva that can share design links, So if you want to complete a design quickly, you can divide tasks by creating a theme here. There is a tools brand kit, a feature that functions as a bridge to push feature to create a unique logo and font that we want. And then the last one is content planner. Is where we set the schedule to make the design to be more time saving and efficient. How to create a design in a Canva? First, we must click a create a design, and then there is a suggest in here, and there is education presentation, education video, education infographic, classroom poster, and etc. And then if there is something you want to make but it's not in the suggestion, you can type it in the search box. For example, there is no a cover book in here, so I will search cover book or book cover. So it will see there is a book cover. We can click it, and then a worksheet will appear like this. And then in the left side there is a Canva feature such as templates, element, uploads, photo, text, style, background, start, QR code, Instagram, emoji, logos, folder, and etc. In the template, we can search for the template we want. In Canva, there is a free template and there is a pro template. We can search template in here, or we can see in here there is a romance book cover, and then there is a Richard book cover, and etc. For example, I will use it, so I will click it and then will appear like this. For element, the element feature, there are previous skins of icon that we can use to beautifully our worksheet. We can look for the thing we want here. There is a line, a row, frame, circle, square, and etc. If we want search anything, we can search in Canva with misalnya like this. I will search about math, and then there is icon math in here. We can choose it like this. Okay. And then there is upload. The upload feature can be used to enter image from the device we are using. And then there is photo. The photo feature can be used to search for photo that we provided by Canva. And then there is a search photo pro, so we can search what photo we want. For example, I will use it. Okay. And then there is text. The text feature is used to create the text that we want to add to our worksheet. For example, we can choose add a heading, and then there is a heading like this in here. We can see it. For example, we can make it zoom, and then we can type a text we want. It. Okay. And then there is a style. The style is a color palette for our worksheet. And then background. To add a background to our worksheet, here we can enter a color in here. We can make a color in here. Or we can use a background in the Canva that will we use in here, that landscape. There is a landscape, pattern, gradients, and etc. And then the start. In Canva, we can also start an element. So the elements that we make as a favorite will appear in here. So in start, it will be appear the favorite element. There is QR code. We can also add a QR code by entering a link in here from the search we get. And then there is Instagram. We can link our Instagram account with Canva. There is emoji in here. And there is a logo folder. Folder is we can make a folder of the elements we start to make them more organized. And there is more. In here, there is a resize. In resize, we can change the size of our worksheet. But to do this, we must have a pro account. And then if we click it, it will be appear like this. We can edit our image in here. We can change the color in here. We can change the color like this. And then we can crop the elements like this if we want it. We can crop it and then down. After that, we can flip horizontally or flip vertically. And then in this section, there is an animate. In animate, we can choose animation to make our worksheet more interesting. There is a basic scale, exaggerate, slide in and out, and pick animation like this. If we choose it, we like this. Will be appear the animate like this. Okay. There is a position in here. Position, we can use it to place item in forward to front, top, middle, bottom, left, center, right, backward, and to back. And then there is a copy style. There is transparency. We can transparent the image in here. We can make it transparency. And then there is a link. We can enter our link in here. There is duplicate. It is to duplicate the elements. There is a delete to delete the elements. And we can in here we can lock the items on the worksheet so they don't slide around, or it will our worksheet will be our element will be locked in here. Okay. In there is a heading in here. We can add a title to our worksheet, and then there is a share. Share is in the share we can share our worksheet directly without saving it. And then there is insight and times. And for the last step it will be downloaded. Then to download it, we can click this, and then we can choose the type of file we want to download. Like this, it's PNG, and then we can download it. Okay, I think that's all I can explain how to make a design in a Canva.